So I bought from, I'm going to delete all this stuff so that it won't be shown. But this is the package that I received. I've bought my first item from Poshmark. This is from Stephanie Carollo. She has a YouTube channel as well, and she's selling some stuff on her closet sale on Poshmark, so I'll leave all of her stuff down below. I have not worked with Poshmark for the I've never worked with Poshmark. This was my first time, so I used her code because I'm supporting her and I like her videos. She's very, very similar to my channel. So I ended up buying one item from her closet sale, and hopefully I will get to use Poshmark in the near future for any closet sales for myself, because I am going to be getting rid of some stuff since it is the new year and we need to clean up our act. It's either going to be donated or I'm going to sell them for really cheap on Poshmark. Just leave me a comment down below if you want me to make a video of things that I am going to donate and sell. I'll do that for you guys, but right now we're going to be doing an unboxing of this stuff. So let me go ahead and open it. First off, great packaging. It's really inexpensive to get this, and it arrived about 2 days or 3 days from when I ordered it, so it came really quickly, so that's a big plus. So let me go ahead and open this up really. Okay, right away there is pink tissue paper, which is really cute, really attention to detail. I mean, this is just a dress, so I really like that she paid attention to that type of detail. And she's around the same size as me. She's a 2X, and this dress was from Boohoo, I think it was. Let me just double check. Oh no, it's from Fashion Nova, and this is the one that Kylie Jenner put on her Instagram, but it is the color pinkish, like blush color, which you guys know that's my favorite color. So she decided to let this one go because she already has a black one of these, and I've wanted this dress pretty badly here, and it's super cute. We're gonna go ahead and try it on, and it still has the tags and everything, so it's in really good condition. And let's try this bad boy on. Okay, so this is how it looks on me. She does have bigger breasts than me, so it's really, you know, busty on top, and then her stomach is a little hidden. So I paired it with a shapewear underneath, but it's long enough for the shapewear to be covered. But it's really, really stretchy. It is a 2X, so I really definitely like this. Something that is out of my comfort zone because I normally don't like showing my stomach, but this year is all about, you know, being one with your body and being body positivity. So actually I really enjoy this little bodycon. It's my first one, and I'm so happy that I got it from a YouTuber that I really enjoy watching, because every day I watch her, she gives me more pumped to wear stuff like this and to be out of my comfort zone. And even though we are different body types, this is like what an apple body without the boobs looks like. I hold all my weight here, and this is a 2X, and I was really, really hesitant because she looks a lot smaller than me in the videos, but knowing that we are the same size, it just looks a little bit different on each body type, and I think it looks good on me. I would definitely pair this with something that is a no strap, since it does cut here, but I don't think I have that right now. I don't have any what is it, strapless bras that, or I wanted to try those, since I do have smaller boobs, I do want to try those stick-on bras where it ties in the middle and it kind of pushes them up. So hopefully I can get my hands on that. But honestly, I actually really like this. It's really soft. It's really great quality. The buttons are super cute, and I could see myself going out and about with the hubby. And you guys know that I'd probably pair this with some black leggings to my liking. It's just how I wear stuff. And once I'm fully, you know, it's fully summertime or something like that, I'll get more and more, what is it called? I'll get more confidence to wear dresses and all that stuff. I mean, I do have some dresses in my wardrobe, but this is one of the dresses that I actually really enjoy. And I thank Stephanie Carollo for still having this on her closet sale, and I was able to get it. So if you want to shop some of her clothes, I'll leave the link down below if she still has some left. And if you want to find this number, I'll definitely link it also down below. None of my links are affiliated. It's just stuff that I like. So this is from Fashion Nova. I would have bought this dress for myself from Fashion Nova, but knowing that she had it already on her Poshmark closet was a win for me. So yeah, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. I know I didn't do a inside the dressing room today, but this is pretty much inside my closet. And definitely leave the comments down below if you want to see what I'm going to be giving up to Goodwill or on my Poshmark. So yeah, I hope you guys subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and like always, stay super sweet.